Lightning McQueen, what are you doing? Sorry, Percy. I just really like playing on the train tracks. I'm really sorry. It's okay, Lightning McQueen. But next time, why don't you just ask me for a train ride? You could sit in the back in my wagon. It would be much safer. Wow, I've never been on a train. Do you think I could go for a train ride now? Well, sure, I suppose so. Why don't you hop on back? Wow, this is cool. Alright, Lightning McQueen, hold on tight. Whoa, whoa. Alright, here we come. Oh, youch, that hurt. Oh no, Lightning McQueen, are you okay? No, Percy, I can't move. I better call the rescue squad helicopter immediately. Coming to get you, Lightning McQueen. Oh, at least I'm not on fire this time. Yep, you're right about that, buddy. You better get going, though. You're still hurt. Let's go to the hospital. Be careful up there. Last time I was on a helicopter ride, it didn't go so well. Don't worry, Lightning McQueen. When you're with me, you're... Oh no, I better get out of here before I catch on fire. I'll call Fiery Flynn, Lightning.
I'm Sodor's firefighter. Fiery Flynn to the rescue. Stay back, stay calm.
Alright, Fiery Flynn, just get the fire out, please. Oh no, I'm gonna need some extra help. I better call Rescue Squad Mater. Did somebody call Rescue Squad Mater? Quickly, Fiery Flynn, you get that side, I'll get this side. This is the bad one.
Fiery Flynn to the rescue.
You alright, buddy? Oh no, he's not answering. We better get the ambulance here. Alright, we're gonna need a wagon. This looks pretty bad. Alright, let's get moving. I'm not feeling so good. It is okay. The doctor will be with you shortly. One moment. Well, hello there. My name is Dr. Mater. What? Dr. Mater? Ah! Whoa, what? Since when are you a doctor, Mater? Since I got my degree. Yeah, looking pretty good here. I think all you need is some medicine here. There we go. Then next, go visit Ramon and get yourself a new paint job. You should be alright, buddy. Oh, that's it? Alright, well, I guess I'll go see Ramon now. Ugh. Hey, Ramon. Hey, Lightning McQueen. Looks like you caught on fire again. Yeah, about that. Now, I thought you gave me a flame-resistant paint job. This doesn't look too flame-resistant to me. No, it sure doesn't. You know, I think I was supposed to give you the white paint job if you want to be flame resistant. That's the wrong paint job. Jump in. I'll fix you right up. Alright, this is much better. So Ramon, you're telling me if I just keep this white paint job, I won't start on fire again? Yeah, man, that's what I'm telling you. You keep that, you won't catch on fire again. But if you go back to red, there's always a chance you catch on fire. I think I'll stick with this paint job for a while.
Bueno gente, esto fue todo por hoy, espero que les haya gustado este segundo video que hago acerca de este juego. Como siempre, si les gustó, les pido por favor que le den me gusta al video, les juro que me ayuda bastante para que siga con estos loquendos, y si quieren más, y todavía no se suscribieron a este canal, les doy la oportunidad para que lo hagan. También si me quieren seguir en una red social, como por ejemplo Facebook o Twitter, estarán como siempre en la descripción. Muchas gracias por ver el video, nos vemos amigos, aquí se despide María Osmeiden y hasta la próxima.